The use of smart glasses has allowed us to see a 40% improvement in resolution time for tickets that submitted to us for technical support use. So the Porsche technicians in the US have commonly been referred to as the fighter pilots of the industry. We have the best technicians in the world in our dealers. We still have to give them the latest technology because it changes literally overnight.
With these glasses, you can get me pointed in the right direction. We can get this car repaired.
I'm going to go ahead and give you a call on the glasses. Let's get that set up, and I'll see you there.
So one of the new technologies that we're releasing at Porsche Cars North America is called Tech Live Look. Through the use of smart glass technology, we're able to see what the technician sees live, regardless of where the technician is.
One of the issues I'm running into is actually locating the location of the sensor itself.
So looking in GFF, it's kind of the left front right there, and it looks like it's this sensor. Let me highlight it for you. Okay. Right there. You see it on your glasses?
So right here.
All right. Okay. Let's take it apart and see what it looks like. I'm going to send you a couple pictures real quick. Okay. Of the connector, and we'll take it apart and see if we can see anything wrong with it.
John, you can confirm this is pin 3 here, correct?
We're looking for the yellow wire. Crimps over the insulation.
All right, so there we go.